Good morning. Today I will discuss the topic nurses' activity in inventory control. At first, nurse should set a standard for quantity of each item to be kept in the ward. Next, nurse should have a satisfactory system for replacing broken and worn out equipment. Next, nurse should make regular inventories of all items. Next, nurse should keep adequate amount of supplies and equipment at hand by intelligent ordering. Next, nurse should remember some points in maintenance of supplies and equipments. First point is keep an adequate supply of materials at hand at all times and in its availability for use. They are to be in good working condition. Next, keep all the articles ready for use and keep the sterile articles as clean and in order. Articles should be easily available and as near as possible to the place where it will be used. Next, to minimize obsolescence and to ensure that previously purchased items are consumed before recently acquired items, follow first in, first out rule. Those articles that are likely to be stolen or lost easily should be placed under lock and key. The key must be available in the ward at all times and all staff members should know where it is kept. Those articles that are to be indented from the central supply room should be asked before the anticipated time of its use. These articles should be returned immediately after their use. Delegate someone with the responsibility for handling supplies and the equipments. The nurse who is delegated with the responsibility for handling the supplies and equipment should indent for adequate supplies. She should see that these articles are kept in order, periodic counts daily and weekly are done, and report breakage and theft of these articles which causes a deficiency in the ward. Regular and surprise checking of the inventory by the head nurse or someone from the administrative department will help to maintain the articles in good order and number. Next, educate the personnel in the economic use of art materials. Next, as far as possible, avoid using the substitutes. Use the articles in the proper way in which it is designed to use. For convenience in working, all necessary equipment and supplies for a particular treatment should be kept in one unit. Example, a hot water bag, its cover, thermometer and a pitcher for filling the bag should be in one room near the source of water supply. Equipment should be located in the same place on architecturally similar units in order to prevent loss of time. Observe the personnel to prevent wastage and misuse of materials. Follow the hospital policies regarding the purchase and maintenance of supplies and equipments. Thank you.